Welcome to the future of video creation. In this tutorial I show you how to create stunning cinematic videos using a brand new AI tool. No fancy camera, no crew, just your creativity and this powerful platform. Whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker or just love making cool content, this tool will blow your mind. And now let's get in and see how it works. Higgsfield is a cutting-edge AI video tool that empowers creators to produce cinematic videos with professional camera movements. No expensive gear or film crew required. Whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker, a social media content creator, Higgsfield offers intuitive controls to bring your visual stories to life. Higgsfield is an AI-powered video generation platform designed for creative professionals in film and social media. It gives users precise camera motion control with techniques like crash zoom, dolly movements and arc shots to produce cinematic videos in minutes. It offers over 40 cinematic camera motion presets such as crash zoom, dolly in and out, snorri cam, FPV drone, Dutch angle, bullet time, 360 orbit, just to name a few. These presets allow you to add dynamic movement to your videos, enhancing storytelling and visual appeal. How does it work? Creating a video with Higgsfield is straightforward. First thing, choose a motion preset. Select from the extensive library of camera movements to define how your scene will be animated. And next step is upload or generate an image. Start with your own image or create one using Higgsfield's text-to-image capabilities. And then the last step is generate the video. Click to generate to produce your animated video with the selected motion. This process enables creators to achieve professional-grade cinematography effects without the need for traditional filming equipment. Did you know that you can create also incredible images with Higgsfield? It's not just for videos, it's a complete creative playground. And here is how it works. At first, choose your style. Higgsfield offers a wide range of artistic styles to choose from. Want a retro vibe? Go for an old anime or old cartoon. Prefer something quirly? Try Bikini Bottom, Sims or Bender. Feeling creative? Then check out the abstract cartoon, crayon or child art. There are tons of options including gum style for a glossy animated look, clay for a handcrafted sculpted vibe, voxel art for a blocky 3D aesthetic, adventure tales for that epic fantasy feel. Then upload your image. Once you've picked your style, upload an image. It could be a selfie, a product shot, or even a scene you want to transform. Then describe your prompt. Now it's time to get creative. Add a prompt that describes what you want to see in the image. Be as detailed or as simple as you like. The AI will work its magic and bring your vision to life. And then hit the generate button. Click generate and watch as Higgsfield turns your concept into a captivating piece of art. Higgsfield also offers a mobile application called Diffuse, which allows users to create personalized videos directly from their smartphones. By uploading a selfie, users can generate unique videos using various presets or custom prompts. This feature makes high-quality video creation accessible to everyone, from casual users to professional content creators. It is ideal for YouTubers to enhance your videos with cinematic camera movements, filmmakers to prototype scenes and visualize concepts quickly, for social media creators to produce engaging content with dynamic visuals, or for marketing teams to create compelling video ads with ease. Higgsfield democratizes the video creation process by providing tools that were once exclusive to high-budget productions. Its AI-driven platform allows for the repeat creation of visual stunning videos, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to elevate their content.
If you found this tutorial was helpful, give a like and subscribe to our channel.